We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a in-sink aerator, 3/4 horse garbage disposal, and this is the Evolution series. It is the right here, Space Saver XP2. So super quiet when you use it. Anyways, we had to reconfigure the plumbing over here, and nothing was fitting with the old disposal. Came out, the piping that was in there. There was a conflict with the new disposal, so we just cut it all back out. Gave you a new tubular P-trap right here, a new tubular extension over to the disposal, a telescoping kit right here, the T, and then a little extension over to the 90 that's supplied with the disposal, and that's tied back in. This is your 7/8 line going up. We just reconnected it to the new disposal. That plug is knocked out, so it will drain. Brand new flange up top. The old one, I mean, it was in there, it was fine, but you know, we got a new flange, so why not put it in? Anyways, new putty, new flange, new disposal. That's your hose. This is our tubing. Back to the wall, that's all yours. Coming out of the wall is yours, but we put a Schedule 40 coupling, a 22, an adapter, and then of course the tubular fittings in there. So that's good. Hose is tied in, run water down it. We don't see any leaking. The only conflict we see is back here with the cold water valve, so I have trouble shutting that off. And anyways, so everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.